Hello guys and parents, these are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. In the page 218 we got listen to the conversation and check all the topics discussed. Like in this example, eco-friendly means of transportation, and you make a check in there. Next to that, we got circle the correct ending for each statement. Number 1, foldable bicycles are too expensive, are being exhibited, or have been already sold, and the answer is the B. Next to that, we got benefits of using a bike as a means of transportation, and list your arguments on the lines provided. In the number 1, we got an example. It encourages exercise. Next to that, we got what do you think these idioms from the conversation mean? On the same page. When multiple people all agree on the same thing. Next to that, we got language check, causative with, get, and have. Listen to the conversation again, fill in the chart below with examples from the conversation. Get something done, checked, installed. Get a local GPS application installed. And you need to write another example for this and for this too, okay? In the page 219, we got listen to the vocabulary list again and repeat with your best pronunciation and intonation. Then find 12 vocabulary words in the puzzle, like in the example, okay? Effect. Next to that, we got many verbs that refers to environmental protection. Actions start with the prefix RE. Write down as many of them as you can. Like in the example, RE, reduce, okay? Next to that, we got what vocabulary words are synonyms with the following words. Quite, somewhat. The synonyms for that is rather, okay? In the page 331, we got activity 1, review, answer the questions. Number 1, which of the vocabulary words is a phrasal verb? And you got this example, carry out. Activity 2, reinforcement, circle reinforcement. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. Can you help me? These batteries replace, produce, or carry out? And the answer is replace, okay? This is an example. You need to circle all the answers. In the page 220, we got speaking. Listen to the conversation again. Would you like to use a foldable bicycle? Why or why not? And you're going to answer these questions in your notebook, okay? What requirements are there for renting a bicycle in your town? What measures does your town council take to reduce traffic jams? What means of transportation does your family usually use? Could your way of commuting be more eco-friendly? And next to that, we got hoverboards have been gaining popularity as an eco-friendly means of transportation. How much do you know about it? Fill in the chart below, and you got these two questions, and you're gonna answer, okay? What you know and what you like to know about the hoverboards. That's all for this week, guys. Have a nice week, take care, and remember, stay at home. Dream the impossible, seek the unknown, achieve greatness. Goodbye, guys.